Hello everyone, welcome back. On today's video I'm going to make another quilted Christmas ornament. I used a 3-inch styrofoam bowl, 2.5-inch squares of fabric, ribbon, seed beads, straight pins. I'm going to start with this pattern. What I did is I took a 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch red square. I folded in half to make rectangles, and I'm going to lay this on this pattern. For the second row, I did the same thing with the fabric. I folded 2.5-inch squares of fabrics into rectangles, and I marked from the top point or the center 3.25 inch, and I pinned the second row. In this case, is the green fabric. For the third row of fabric, I used this polka dot fabric. I also did the same thing, but here, as you saw, I marked the center because I'm going to put where the second row of fabric meets, and I want everything to be center. As you can see, I usually don't push the pins straight down because I like to reuse them, but if you prefer, you can just pin down everything and secure everything in place. If you're going to be doing this ornament as your first ornament, I know it's a little bit tricky at the beginning. So you can play with the fabric. You can pin it up a little bit more, like in this case on the second row that I left 3/4. Maybe you can leave 1/2 inch. It also depends if you're going to use another size of the styrofoam ball. I use a 3-inch styrofoam ball, but if you can't find it and you get like 2.5, then maybe you can cut your fabric squares smaller. Just start playing with it and placing your fabrics maybe less inches, and you'll get it. So now I'm going to start embellishing the styrofoam bowl or the ornament. Here I use a bead spacer and a pearl head pin. The pearl head is green, but I then change it to red. And I have here gold seed beads or spacers. And then I have gold straight pins. I can't remember where I got those gold straight pins, but if I find the link, I'll put it on the description box. And that's why I told you before that I didn't push the straight pins on the green triangles, because I'm removing them and I'm putting the seed bead with the gold straight pins to embellish the ornament. Now I'm going to make the bowl to hang the ornament. I also got the bead spacer and a pearl head pin. And then I cut a piece of ribbon. I think this one is like 3 inches long. And this one I made a loop, because this one is going to be the one that is going to hold the ornament on your Christmas tree. And then for the bow, I cut strips of ribbon into 5 inches, 5 of each color. And then I did the bow. I like to use glue on the pin that holds the bowl, because this one is going to be the one that is going to have the weight once you hang your ornament. That's why I like to put glue, so it would hold in its place. And I got this little Christmas charm, and I use jump rings, the ones used to make jewelry, and I hang it on the ribbon, and voila, you're done with the ornament. Well guys, hope you liked this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy holidays everyone.